Welcome to another episode of our vlog. In this episode, we're going to renovate our veranda of our house, in which it's the same. We're going to do it by ourselves. So the first thing is the flooring, the conversion of the tiles flooring into parquet flooring. Also the ceiling, we needed to put some insulations and to install some placo or ceiling cover. So we are here in the store of Leroy Merlin to buy some materials that we're going to use in order to fix and renovate the veranda of our house. So the first thing that I need to buy in Leroy Merlin is insulation, which is from Axton, and it's a silence basic acoustic insulations. After the first base insulations, we're gonna need also the underlay Greenboard insulations for our final insulations. And also we're gonna need some paper tape. This is the polythene drop sheets that I'm gonna be using to protect from the moisture. It should be the first cover for your tiles flooring. Alright. And also we're gonna need some parquet flooring. We just bought this and we pick up from the back of the store. So what are we waiting for? Let's start now the job. Ever since we keep making renovation in the house, we have a lot of leftover, just like this Plinthe or the baseboard. So we utilize to use this for installing in the veranda after installing the parquet. We need some silicone sealant to be put up there in order to make the baseboard sealed in the side of the wall and above the flooring. The last thing that I put up is the radiator or the heater in the veranda. We really need to put a heater. It's because it's so cold during winter or during nighttime. So what types of heater we have is an electric heater, and I need to install it and connect it to the connection or the outlet. So here we go. Check this out how I installed.